Hi everybody, me again. So time to mount this vandal or protective cage over my BT4 Fibre customer service point on the outside of the house. So thought just before I go out and do the installation, I'll just take you through the tools. So obviously trusty drill, need that. Got a few drill bits here. I think I just need a 8mm drill bit for that. Going to use these raw plugs. I'm going to use these 30mm self-tapping screws. They've been galvanized to protect from rust. And I've got these washers. You don't need these, but I had them anyway. So they're a stainless steel washer with a rubber back. So screw through here, and then on these fixing tabs around the edge, that will just sit nicely on there and give a nice comfy fit. So that's all you need. Pencil just to mark through the tabs onto the wall, so know where to drill, and then a spirit level to get it nice and level on the wall. So it's raining at the moment, but as soon as it finishes raining, I'm going to go outside and fix this to the wall, and I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, so we're outside now. It's stopped raining. There's the customer service point. Brought the tools outside with me. Got the security cage or protective grille ready to go on. So let's get this camera mounted in a tripod, and then I'll get on and install it. Okay, so here's the security grille. So it just pops over the top like that. Looks like the OpenReach guys didn't install the customer service point squarely, but never mind, I will install this to be square. Just got the, there we go. I think that's probably where I want it. So it's got a bit of space all around. You can just see the spirit level is showing it to be level. So next bit, just use a pencil and then just mark through onto the wall where I want to drill to put the raw plugs. So just do that, just make sure. There we go. So that's done. Now I just need to get a drill and drill those out. I'm going to start off with a smaller drill, and then I'll go through with an 8mm drill after that. So let's just drill these quickly. And then all we need to do is pop in the raw plugs. Okay, so the raw plugs are in okay. Next thing is to put the screws through the mounting tabs, and I'm going to use these little stainless steel washers with some rubber fixings on them. So if I just pop that through there, and then on the security cage, just pop that through there. If you can see that, it's not a very good camera angle. Next thing to do is just mount this on the wall, line all the screws up like so, and then just go ahead and screw those in. So there we go, all finished, mounted on the wall. You can see the screws and the washers with a little mounting backs to them. So yeah, I think that's pretty good. That's going to stop any accidental damage. As I say, it's sold as a vandal proof cage, but I've not installed it as that. This is to stop things being bashed, the kids leaving their bikes, their tools, wheelbarrow going past. Hopefully this will stop any damage. And as I say, it's made of steel, so nothing's going to get through that in a hurry. Anyway, hope that helps. If it does, please consider subscribing and maybe even hitting that notification bell so we see each other in the next video. Bye everybody.